Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas 2022 or rather should I say 12 days of Christmas. So basically ये है मेरा interpretation of Vlogmas. Ideally Vlogmas is where you post every single day till the 25th of December. तो 25 videos upload होंगे in the month of December. But I was not in the mood to post 25 videos because अभी ही मैंने सितंबर में 25 videos post किए थे for my birthday series. So I wanted to give myself a little bit of a rest, but I still wanted to do Vlogmas. तो last year मैंने अलग Vlogmas किया था जहाँ मैंने 15 videos post किए थे. So every other day I was posting a video. This year I wanted to do something a little bit different. You're gonna get 12 videos from me this year, but all 12 of them are not gonna be regular videos. You're gonna get 12 collabs in the month of December. मैंने बहुत ही लंबी list ready की है and I'm gonna be collabing with a lot of fun people, fun creators whom you follow probably, and it's going to be a lot of fun. But that's not it. सिर्फ 12 वीडियोस नहीं मिलेंगे आपको, बहुत सारे बोनस वीडियोस भी मिलेंगे जो व्लॉग्स होंगे, ट्रिप व्लॉग्स होंगे. They'll also be really fun videos. But in this month you will definitely get 12 collab videos. This is exactly why I had gone to Delhi and I'm gonna be going to a few other places as well. This is all for Vlogmas 2022 and I hope you guys are excited. Of course, there's gonna be a giveaway in every single video. Every video that goes up in December, there will be a giveaway. It'll be randomly scattered, so you have to watch the video to participate. I think it goes without saying that I've made an intro for Vlogmas 2022. So this is what it looks like.
Snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, it don't feel right.
And that was the intro. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I wanted to make kind of like a stop motion, sort of a really fun transformation intro, very short, very crisp, very festive. So that was the whole idea and I hope you guys enjoyed. I did actually make an entire vlog. Coming back to today's video, the first video of Vlogmas 2022. Basically, मुझे ये वीडियो सबसे ही पावर पैक वीडियो बनाना था because it was the first video. In this video, I'm going to be collabing with 3 creators, 3 of my closest friends in the industry, and we've been doing a lot of videos together recently and you guys have been really loving it. YouTube पे हमने आज तक कुछ भी साथ में नहीं किया था sit down में, so we're going to be doing a really fun challenge. I think I'm just going to roll the clip and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a truth or drink. I've done this quite a few times with quite a few creators. I'm going to link all the episodes in the description box below. Today we have Manasi Mao, Ashi Adani, and Alfia. I'm going to obviously I'm going to link all of their channels in the description box below. Of course, don't forget to go check them out and also check them out on Instagram. We've been doing quite a few reels together. #Mama. And you guys have shown us so much love both on YouTube and Shorts. So keep supporting. So I thought we should do a truth or drink as well. Mansi has done this 3 times.
Veteran.
Ekdam veteran for sure. They're doing it for the first time and they're kind of nervous.
Yeah, I am.
Let me explain the rules.
Yes.
Okay. So we have some chits right here. Basically हमने जो same thing गोपाली और जानवी के साथ किया था वही same है. Everyone has to pick up a chit one by one. And then there are certain chits that everyone needs to answer. Like it's highlighted. It's like different. Like it's marked. Okay. So you'll get to know कि ये वाले सबको answer करना है.
Okay.
But then for the most part, अगर ये chit मैंने उठाया इसका answer मैं दूंगी.
Oh.
So you bring it upon yourself. And if you don't want to answer it, for the drinks, we prepared it ourselves.
It's terrible.
We've done ginger and lemon shots. We have them ready right here. Having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Mansi, start.
Oh my god. Okay. Veteran, no?
Rate from best to worst content wise.
Oh my god. Is this included?
She's answering.
Yeah, I am gonna answer because I know all worst questions aane wale hain, so like I can't.
Should I keep my chaku ready?
It's okay, no one
Okay,
should
in my
take
defense,
offense.
मेरा YouTube देखना काफी कम हो गया है, पहले ही बोल
मेरे
रही
पे आ
हूँ।
रहा है।
No, तेरे पे नहीं। I'm just saying कि मेरा content consuming बहुत कम हो गया है in general. Instagram,
Are
YouTube
you
ज़्यादा।
supposed to defend yourself?
Yeah, I am going to defend myself. Anyways,
Only with your mouth.
I would rate Mridul first, Alfia, and then Ashi. I'll explain why. Okay, so Maddie ka, I feel like I've always said this, like she's very creative, very very creative when it comes to content. She nails it, and like काफी सारे trends उसने YouTube पे, मतलब I feel a lot of
Yeah.
people have gotten
Yeah.
inspired
Yeah.
by her.
True.
Yeah.
So yeah, and Alfia second is because that's how I discovered your Instagram,
Oh.
because the way you film the pose ideas and everything, that was very trendy that time. I think I discovered you in COVID.
Oh.
So that's that.
Me too.
Ashi
Wow.
का सबसे कम is because Ashi makes very detailed skincare based like retinoids and all of that. So like I don't really consume that much
that,
of
yeah. Fair
detailed but I also know a lot of people who are beginners. They love watching that sort of content.
That is true.
So yeah, that's why I rated like.
No hard feelings.
No.
नहीं, definitely not.
Oh my god.
अरे open the everyone's going to listen.
Which is the video you disliked about each of us? Okay, I'll start with Alfia because I consume hers the most.
Yeah.
I think posing videos. I didn't like those. Again, she has good poses, no denying that.
Yeah.
But it's just not something I personally like. And
You don't want to learn that from me anymore.
It's getting spicy, guys. Don't go away.
My turn.
Mridul, I think it was very popular, the Katrina wala na.
Yeah, it was.
I didn't like it.
She doesn't like anyone's posing video.
Yeah. She thinks she is only one.
That's how I
statue of
found
liberty.
Mridul's channel actually. That Katrina one got
Yeah.
viral.
हाँ, it
Yeah.
did.
उल्टी लेटी हुई थी ना.
हाँ.
I didn't like the IKEA one. 'Cause
The
it
latest one.
काफी लंबा था.
Okay.
Brutal.
Okay. Got it.
Honest.
Honest.
Yeah.
ये मेरे को मालूम है.
Highlight
वाला निकाली है ये.
Highlighter.
Cheat कर रही है
Highlight
ये.
में मतलब that person shouldn't
Everybody
answer.
has
No, everybody has to answer.
Everyone has to answer. Are you guys actually friends? What a great question
You
I got.
have to answer.
I'll pick once more because it's such an easy one. I'll pick one. No, it's
No,
okay.
no, say
No.
it.
Yes. I mean, we've
Stop
been.
touching me. Stop touching me.
कर लो तुम अपना कर लो.
Yeah.
So we have been friends for a while. I know Ashi even before lockdown. I recently
years.
got to recently got to know Alfia. Mansi again, I've known her for a long time. The longest probably. Actually, no. I know
Eminem.
Alfia the long. Sorry,
I
Ashi the
know
The
longest.
belief trip.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyway, timelines aside, we became friends at the Delhi trip.
Yeah.
And rest is history. We are actually friends, guys. और क्या बोलूं मैं, मतलब हाँ है दोस्त.
It's like हमारे सबके individual equations already थे.
थे.
We just became stronger as a group.
And I'm the glue of the group.
I don't know if I agree. Honestly.
Whenever we talk, there is so much personal stuff about life and you know
That is
other
true.
things that we talk about that actually brought us closer and you know.
It's not just work. Like
Yeah.
also Alfia and I travel a lot together. Like go back home basically. And हम घर जब वापस जाते हैं, we only talk about personal life. Like there's no work. It's like two friends talking. And in general
Yes,
also.
yeah.
Anyway, next. Are you ready?
Shit, yeah.
She's very nervous.
तो पहला है.
मेरे हाथ कांप रहे हैं थोड़े. Oh, it's a highlighted one.
अरे यार, अल्फिया यार.
Deep है हाँ ये वाला.
Okay, so this one says, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
How can it be a Mridul Sharma video without this question?
This could have
I'm
been the
going
last
last.
question, but ये पहले आ गया.
हाँ.
In my personal life, I would see myself probably with 2 businesses. A little more stable emotionally. Like right now, I'm very dependent on the people in my life to be happy. To you know, I constantly need their attention. I think तभी तक थोड़ी stability आ जाएगी, and I would be that independent woman that I always wanted to be. Yeah, that's it.
Cute answer.
cute.
Nice
Yeah,
answer.
yeah,
I've said this lots of times, so I'll just like go quickly. In 5 years, I'll be 30. So my God, even saying that, we all will be.
No, I have 6 years to go. Sorry.
Yeah,
We
both.
both,
We both will be. But I hope to be married by then. I hope to travel the world. बस मेरे दो यही ख्वाहिश है.
I think with my work, I would expect it to be more flourished, more. I have a few goals in my checklist. I hope to tick all of them off. And personally, I just want to have a lot more control over my timings where I can spend more time with the people I love, because at 29, 30, I would like to have things of my own and not just be controlled by work where I'm like, okay, I have to run, I have time for
Wow.
myself.
Nice. Very
Nice
nice.
one. Nice one. Same. I'll be married by like
30.
next. Yeah. By 30.
Next year!
Not next.
Next year! You heard it on Mridul Sharma.
Next 3 years. Yeah, I should be married by 28.
Yeah, you will be.
मैडी को मेरे शादी की बहुत जल्दी है. Anyways, so that's that. And second is a happier and a wiser version of myself, because I'm really working on myself at this point, and I'm really struggling, and it's going up and down. So like I hope in like few years I am a better version of myself. And of course I think everybody relates with me over here, that everybody like our what is it? Our profession is very kind of like short-lived, you know what I
Yeah.
mean, like
Yeah.
it's very risky.
Yeah.
कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, ban हो सकते हैं apps and everything. So I think everybody wants to have like a stable income or stable whatever.
Yeah.
So that also I am gonna work on. So yeah.
Inshallah to everyone.
Touch wood, touch
touch
wood.
wood, touch wood.
Tathastu everyone. On the next.
वापस highlighted है.
Kill, marry, hook up.
Oh my god.
With whom? Each other.
Yeah.
Not very literally, na.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, of course.
Marry Alf, because उसके घर का खाना is bomb.com, and hook up with Mao because she's hot.
Nice. Okay, I'll marry Maddie for sure. Of course. I'll kill Alf. And I'll hook up with Ashi.
Because Ashi's hot and I'm what?
I don't even this.
But I think Mridul and I have a lot of resemblance, so I will kill her because I want to be with someone who is a little different, so that I can have fun and spice in my life.
So shawty.
Nice one.
And I will marry Ashi because I think मेरे को अगर कभी ऐसे low points हुए तो उसने मुझे बहुत संभाला है. Like the kind of advices she gives me is what I want to see in my partner also. And I would hook up with Mao because
Everybody wants to hook up with
Yeah,
Mao.
everyone's just with me, yeah? What is this, man?
Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
I will kill Alfia.
I got the maximum kill.
I thought
No.
you would kill me.
I already killed you in
Thank
someone
God
else's
I am
video.
not killed by anybody. I am very happy.
Whose video?
So I'm just making up for it at this point. I'll hook up with Alfia and I'll marry Manasi.
So you're killing me again.
No, I'll hook up with you.
Yeah.
I'll kill her, hook up with her, I'll marry her.
Okay.
Dead.
I have to pick?
Yeah.
Guys, किसी ने भी shot नहीं लिया है अब
तीन
तक.
That's true, we are so
That is
honest.
like, yeah, man.
Okay. Name a creator you wish you wouldn't have met. There it goes. There it goes. I'm not answering this. This is too much.
Yeah.
My answer is Mridul. How is it?
Okay.
Okay. Rate from best to worst. The category is fashion and style.
Mansi answered content. This is still easy. This is shallow.
Yeah.
So she has to answer.
She has some other level convincing skills. Number one will be Mridul because I feel like she does experiment a lot with outfits and that is someone I am myself. तो मैं उससे बहुत relate कर पाती हूँ. Number two will be Ashi because uska bhi style is very nice. Like she's wearing all the trendy chic clothes. Mao is very simple, honestly. Yeah, like she goes for comfort first, and वो मतलब समझ में आता है that she is just living in her outfits and is just so comfy. But that's not me, so I don't relate to her style. So that is the rating.
Correct.
Fair,
I would
fair,
also
fair.
give the same. Okay.
Number one पे कौन है?
तुझे नहीं बोलूंगी मैसेज करूंगी घर फेवरेट क्रिएटर ब्रांड इन इंडिया Skion easiest question I agree
True. Skion.
No.
wait. I think I should say Simba.
Simba.
I
Please,
have a
Simba,
different
Simba.
like attachment for Simba, to be very honest. But yeah.
But
I'm
one
waiting for the
second.
planner.
Oh yeah.
By the time the video is live, the planners are out.
Woo!
Check out the
Shop.
link.
Shop.
Anyway, no, but 1 second. You're not supposed to answer my thing. Otherwise, सबको लगेगा मैंने जानबूझ के question
नहीं,
डाला.
ऐसा नहीं.
Other than me, other than my.
Why?
What is this, yeah?
Why? You're
She
a
wants to
creator,
make it
it's your
spicy.
Oh, I forgot to mention. We're wearing ski on. Link in the description. Ha, continue.
I think it's Anam.
I knew it. Verified, guys.
Verified.
Too
She's
good.
killed it.
Killing it still. We'll kill it for years and years.
5
Forever.
Love it.
At event you went
An event.
to, an event you went to which was not well organized.
I know the answer.
Everyone knows the
Everyone
answer.
knows the answer. It was. Should I say?
No. बाद में off camera.
Okay.
One campaign / reel that you think you could have done better.
I know.
I know the
I know.
answer.
Really? Have I said this?
Yeah. Abhi.
No, that's not what the question means. It means that, for example,
Yeah.
Alfia got Madhuri Dixit ka campaign. I think in my head I could have done it
like
better,
that.
like that.
Someone else.
No, I don't think I could have done it better at all. I couldn't have done it. Period. Cheers, guys.
None of us could think of a campaign that she could have done better.
Yeah.
Turn here.
Highlighted.
हाँ, पढ़.
Oh.
Among Mridul's friends, who would you like to go on a date with?
But I don't know any of your friends.
You watch my videos. Liar.
Yeah, but I don't know them, na.
हाँ, तो no one knows them. It's just time pass.
Yeah,
them,
time pass.
of course.
एक बार
knows
नाम
them.
ले सबके.
हाँ.
Don't describe.
शिखर, तीर्थ, जतिन,
Mayank.
मयूर.
ए मयूर को मत डाल. He's married.
Married married.
अरे just an
Extra
option.
No. मयूर को मत डाल.
सिर्फ तू आंसर करो, खत्म कर. चल.
है हाईलाइटेड है. सब करेंगे.
आदू को प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो
बोल दो उसको, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
I will go on a date with Nani.
Aww. Okay.
I think him only for sense of humor.
He's cute.
Yeah, even I was gonna say Nani only because he's like so funny.
Popular demand.
full on
Yes, so
entertainment.
मतलब मजा आएगा. It won't be a
हाँ.
boring date. For
He has
sure.
so many stories.
True.
Nani right now is just like
Lavish.
even though he told Des Rangila
Yeah.
was not
Oh,
good,
yeah.
we
Oh,
are taking
yeah.
your name.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to spend the most amount of money?
Yeah. her.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not me.
I have
not
no
Alfia
control.
also.
I have-
Okay. Have you ever used your YouTuber / Instagrammer card to get your way out? No.
No.
Really no, because honestly इतना भाव नहीं मिलता है.
मिलता
जितना
है.
लगता है भाव मिलता है,
True.
कुछ इतना भाव नहीं मिलता है.
Highlighted.
Short बनाओ भाई.
Okay, if not lifestyle, beauty, or travel, what other genre would you like to create content?
Okay.
Huh?
So if you weren't doing lifestyle, beauty, fashion, travel, तो इसके अलावा तुम कौन सा genre create करते हो?
Comedy.
Oh.
I feel I can act well. Not that मेरा sense of humor अच्छा है, but if somebody gives me a script,
Yeah.
I can act well.
Nice. Basically, you can do any script.
I think you could do
Skits.
dance also
Skits.
very well.
I
Dance.
was thinking I
Dance.
would do dance.
Yeah.
Yeah, she could do dance. You?
I think I would do cooking for some reason.
That's so
so
nice.
तेरी mom
Yeah,
यार.
Yeah, and I would
Nice.
definitely take help from my mom, but I would get into cooking.
Yeah.
You?
I would maybe do.
Fitness?
कुछ भी?
सब तो कर रही हो मैडम आप.
I would do like have you guys seen like interior design pages on Instagram?
Yeah.
I would do that. Yeah.
Nice.
Fair enough.
What is the most expensive thing that you have bought?
Wow. My car. क्या जरूरी था? Highlighted I guess.
Aiyo.
Yo.
One thing that your fave And one thing that is your fave and least fave thing about each other. Okay.
Okay.
Ashi, short-tempered when it comes to work.
Sure.
I have seen. We all
Saw
have
an
seen it.
outburst today.
Easy to like irritate her.
Yeah.
Maddie, unstoppable. As in, like she doesn't know where to
Thank
stop.
you.
I'm unstoppable. She doesn't know where to stop in everything. Ati kithe mardi. And Alfia, should I say it?
Say it.
No.
I'm waiting.
Way too unfiltered. Like she
That
sometimes
is true.
like
Yeah.
yeah. And good
Why?
thing-
What's the tea?
No tea, guys. Ashi.
अल्फिया और मानसी के बीच में झगड़ा हुआ था गाइस.
झगड़ा हुआ था.
जाने दो, अब मैं क्या बताऊँ ये कहानी.
Maddie, very very warm towards everybody. When it comes to Alfia, she is very very humble and like down to earth. And she won exhibit.
Yes.
Yeah.
She won an award recently, which we are very
Claps.
happy about. So like she didn't make us feel, oh, मुझे award मिला है, अभी तुमसे मैं बात नहीं
She's
करूंगी
not
types.
walking 2 feet above the ground.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean that's really sweet of her.
Yeah. इसने लिख के रखा है फोन
Points
में.
लिखी है यार.
ये मैंने सब लिखा है. Okay. So I think about Mau, मेरे को बहुत
I love
उसकी
that she calls me Mao.
मेरे को उसकी एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगती है that she really takes care of people.
That was my point.
No, she's very
Cheater.
shut up. She's very motherly. खाना खाया कि नहीं, कैसा लग रहा है. So when we went to Delhi also, उल्टी कर रहे थे सब, तो she was taking care of people. Negative में I think she over analyzes everything.
Yeah, that's
And
a good one.
it's just unnecessary. तो इसके लिए
Drama.
Ashi, I love the fact that she knows what she's talking. It really मतलब मुझे समझ आ जाता है वो क्या बोल रही है. I really want to talk like her. I feel like it's so crisp and nice. What I don't
Such a nice.
Very perfect
Yeah,
point.
Perfect
Accurate.
What I don't like about Ashi is that she is very moody. Like she's a Gemini, so समझ नहीं आएगा उसको कौन सी चीज अच्छी लग रही है, कौन सी चीज नहीं अच्छी लग रही है. बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है वो. मजाक में सीरियसली ले लेगी, तो वो चीज है उसका. मृदुल का आई फील आई हैव बीन watching her videos, you know, even before she knew that I existed, like 4 or 5 years पहले से. She फिर भी वो इतनी ज्यादा grounded है. Like even if she has the most expensive things or the most unique things in the market, ऐसे कभी नहीं दिखाएगी कि okay मेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास वो है. She's a very good listener also. That is what I really love about her. And what I don't like is that she is very careless. उसका सामान किधर का किधर पड़ा है.
+1.
That is not true at all.
उसको पड़ी नहीं है.
Clumsy is the word.
Yeah, she's very clumsy. She's very careless.
I'm
ये दो अलग
one
point
second.
ये दो अलग point बोल रहे हैं. Mau, what she was going to say, she checks in a lot on people who are closest to them. उसको like she's sensitive, तो उसको वो tone change भी नहीं अच्छा लगेगा अगर she'll be like yo what's up. And the bad thing is that she's
same.
too sensitive and
Oh.
it doesn't play well for her in the long run. It's great for people around
Too
her,
empathetic.
but then people will walk all over her eventually. Mridul, adding on to what Alfia said, like Mridul has been here like the longest that I know of, and she doesn't gatekeep, you know, where it's like, nahi, I will only hang out with my cool, like she doesn't gatekeep. Basically, she will.
मेरे league के लोगों
She
के
is very
साथ,
warm,
yeah.
welcoming to everybody, like irrespective of where you're from or what you do. And she's very genuine also when it comes to that. Like if she genuinely likes you, she genuinely likes you. There's no fake ness there.
Yup.
True.
Bad thing also I have to say, no, everything sucks. No.
Other than that one thing, everything sucks.
A bad thing because you know, in spite of everything that she has achieved till now, she doesn't think she's good enough, which is the stupidest thing you can think of, you know. Alfia, the bad thing I know, because we recently had a conversation about it, because she sucks. Like, she works very hard, which is great, which is not your positive. It is a positive, but I'm not gonna. She works very hard, but she takes too much on her plate, where she can't delegate. She doesn't know how to delegate her work, so she takes a lot upon herself, which is heartbreaking to see, literally. And good thing is, she is the warmest person you will meet
Yeah.
ever.
Chalo,
I think we are
next
done,
to it.
right? Baki hai.
One last.
One last.
Founder of Simba Skion.
Okay, so I'll start with the positives. I love how talkative Alfia is. I'm as she said, yeah, because I'm like being very specific about each person, because I love listening to people. Like, I used to like love psychology when I was in college, so just like listening to people fascinates me कि ये ऐसा क्यों सोच रहा है, ये ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है, and she talks so much, so I get so much info to like
Gossip.
analyze. Gossip, in general, gossip bhi, that is true. But I just love her stories. I love talking to her, so that I love, and I love how confident she is and how creative she is with her content. That I will say. Ashi, I love how organized she is and how she's a very like proper Guju gal. Like, she's smart. She knows what she wants.
Yeah, and she gets
And
it.
she gets it. I love that. No bullshit kind of a gal. She's that one. And then Mansi, I just love Mansi as a person. Like, I love her vibe. Instantly, जब हम पहली बार मिले, within that first second, I love that about her. Okay, dislike. What I don't like about Alf is that she actually said this already. It's very accurate that you're very dependent.
Yeah.
Very dependent, even though like I was not expecting that when I look at her from outside, but then it's okay to be dependent, there's nothing wrong about it, but then after it starts affecting you to a critical point, it's obviously not good for you. Anyway, so work on it. आशी, मेरे पास एक्चुअली कुछ पॉइंट नहीं था, बट जब इन्होंने बोला, नो जेन्युइनली आई कुडंट थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग, बट आशी, आई सॉ अ mood swing, a snap happening.
Guys, I get hangry very
Yeah,
quickly.
even I do.
There
Even I
no
do.
bullshitting.
And Manasi, again, you said it yourself.
Yeah.
Instead of looking at the
Positives.
so if there's a whiteboard, एक dot होगा उस पे, वो dot को ही देखेगी.
Yeah.
So yeah, that. Okay, with that we are going to end today's very long chatty video, but I think it was a fun one. I hope you guys had a nice meal while watching this video, grabbed a cup of coffee. I should have said this in the beginning, but I was not expecting this video to be this long. But I hope you guys had a good time. Check out all their channels in the description box below. So follow us and we'll see you very soon. Follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion.
I'll see you guys in my
Next video.
Mama.
Bye.